Yes, very good morning to all of you. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning,
Good,
ma'am.
good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Taksha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gurnaz. Good morning, everyone. Those who have joined here. I hope all of you are in good health. Okay. And I hope you are taking care
Yes,
of yourself.
ma'am.
Yes. Very
Yes, ma'am.
good. So please don't go outside. Stay at home. Stay safe.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. Okay, so today is the last class before PT1 because
Yes.
tomorrow Friday we don't have science class. Okay, and from Saturday I think your exams are going to commence.
मैम फ्राइडे को छुट्टी है.
Friday की छुट्टी है. Oh my God. Okay, so tomorrow you have preparatory. Why there is off today? Tomorrow.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Tomorrow's
मैम
all.
वैसे जो पेपर के बीच में हॉलीडे होती है
But
वो है.
holiday is in date sheet. मैम कल तो हिंदी का एग्जाम है.
हॉलीडे.
Ma'am, tomorrow is holiday. Saturday is our first paper.
Why?
Ma'am, right.
Who said tomorrow is holiday?
मैम डेट शीट में लिखा हुआ है.
Ma'am, date sheet.
It's written there. Okay, maybe I have not seen.
मैम साइंस का सेकंड एग्जाम है.
Okay, कल दूसरी क्लास.
मैम कल मैम 4th और 5th का है मैम. मैम कल 4th और 5th क्लास का पेपर है.
Okay, maybe that's why. So
Ma'am,
you
yes.
have preparatory.
मैम मंडे को
Okay,
साइंस
so
का एग्जाम है.
Monday. I think you have
Ma'am, yes, Monday को है.
science exam on 24.
Ma'am, no, it's on Wednesday.
It's on Monday.
Exam is on 24.
Ma'am, it's on Monday.
Yes, it's on Monday.
I'm on 24th of Monday.
Yes, on 24th. Monday it is. Okay. Chalo, so that means this is the last class of science that you are going to have. Tomorrow is off. Saturday your first paper is there. Saturday which paper?
Ma'am, Hindi.
Hindi, ma'am, Hindi.
Hindi, ma'am, Hindi. Ma'am, Hindi paper.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is not
no,
Hindi, ma'am, Hindi.
मैम हिंदी.
Okay.
मैम हिंदी का पेपर है हमारा सैटरडे को. मैम हिंदी पेपर लास्ट
Arey, somebody, some are saying science, some are saying Hindi. Get your
मैम हिंदी का
Just Hindi. Second is
को
science.
हिंदी का है, मंडे को साइंस का.
मैम नेक्स्ट पेपर इज ऑफ साइंस.
You better
Ma'am, after science it is Punjabi.
you better check the date sheet and get yourself confirmed that which paper is there on this Saturday. Okay. I know about my paper.
Ma'am, Saturday is Hindi.
मैम साइंस को है मंडे को.
मैम हिंदी को हिंदी.
I know about
Science.
science. Science is on Monday. I don't know about rest of the subjects. Okay. So please. Okay. So today is the last class. So today quickly we will finish the practice assignment, the few questions that we are left with, and we will try to revise the whole syllabus today quickly. Okay. So I will ask you some questions so that you have to answer. Yes. What?
मैम साइंस की क्लास मैम ये सेकंड लास्ट क्लास है
How?
मैम टुमारो
Tomorrow is what day?
मैम टुमारो इज फ्राइडे
So Friday, do we have science class?
मैम यस.
No.
मैम यस मैम पर मैम कल की छुट्टी है.
मैम फ्राइडे को
Ma'am, tomorrow is off.
Friday we don't have science class. Otherwise,
हमारा
also
Saturday को होती है science.
Table.
मैम वो सैटरडे होती है साइंस.
Yes, Saturday we have science class. Friday we do not have science class. Okay. Still, you haven't remember your timetable. See. Okay, so yesterday we were doing 14th question. Part A was complete. That the height of a person is 1.82 centimeter, and express it into centimeter and meter. That we have done, and millimeter. B part of this question. Now, who will tell me the solution of this. Anyone who has
Ma'am, which question?
14th question, B part. First of all, read it. 14th question, B part. All of you have your assignment. Where have you solved it? Keep that with you. Okay, I will read the question. Try to tell me the solution if anybody has solved this one. A 30 centimeter scale has one end broken. Okay, so for example, I have a scale of 30 centimeter and one of the end of that scale is broken. The mark at the broken end is 2.6 centimeter. Okay, so if I have one scale of 30 centimeter, okay, so the mark at the beginning, so this mark here, the scale is broken. Okay, and the beginning mark of the scale is 2.6 centimeter. Means the scale has a clear reading from 2.6 centimeter. Before that it is broken. Okay, so then what do they say? How would you use it to measure the length of your pencil? So how will you use this scale now, which has a broken end and it measures the reading from 2.6 centimeter, and you have to measure the length of your pencil with this broken scale. So how will you take the measurement? See, in this, it is not like that you have to minus 30 minus 2.6, because two readings which are given in this question is, one is that you have 30 centimeter scale and the mark at the broken end is 2.6 centimeter. So if you will just minus this one, that is the wrong way. That is the wrong answer. So in this, we have to imagine, we have to suppose both the readings ourselves only. We just only have to tell the concept that how we are going to measure the length of the pencil. Okay, Manpreet Singh, yes, try it.
Ma'am, we will start reading from 3 centimeter.
Very good. Okay.
We
So, yeah,
we-
okay, you say that we start. Okay. Yes, yes.
we will start reading from starting mark
Then,
is equal to 3 centimeter.
okay. Yes.
Then we will start reading from ending mark, that is 20 centimeter.
Okay. And can this reading be changed? You
Then
are telling me the readings that are given in the answer key that I had given you. So can those readings be changed? Instead of starting from 3 centimeter, can I start from any other point or not? You just tell me that, because in the answer key I told you that I started from 3 centimeter and I ended, the length of my pencil ended at 20 centimeter. So can the readings be changed? Yes, Imran.
yes,
Ma'am, starting mark 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, ending mark 25 centimeter, length of a pencil 25 minus 5.
Yes, very good. So see,
Empty answer 20 centimeters.
very good. So see, first of all, the only concept that is given in the question is that we have a broken scale and the measurement start from 2.6 centimeter. That means we have to start the measurement after 2.6 centimeter. It can be any point. It is not necessary that we have to start from 2.6 only. We can start the reading from any point which is after 2.6. So it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5 also. Okay, so if let's say we start the reading, so you will write, let's say we start the reading from 5 centimeter. So that means what is the reading at the beginning of the scale? Reading at the beginning of the measurement. So how much it is?
5 centimeters.
Yes. So that is 5 centimeter, and reading at the ending of the measurement is how much? This also we have to suppose
25 centimeters.
25 centimeter.
pencil is with us. So pencil is with us and we have to take the ending measurement also. So reading at the end of the measurement, let's say the length of the pencil ends at 20 centimeter. Okay. So then what is the length of our pencil? Length of our
15 centimeters.
will be 20 minus 5 centimeter. So that will come out to be 20 minus 5 centimeter. So here you do not have any one answer. Answer may vary. The only thing given is that the starting point, the scale has broken end and it is starting from 2.6 centimeter. So you have to take the starting, reading at the beginning also yourself. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, and reading at the ending also, it can be different also. It can be 20, 25, 30 also. So and simply you have the 2 readings, then you simply subtract it and then you will get the answer of that question. Clear? So this is how you have to solve this kind of question. Fine. Is there any doubt in this? Anyone has any doubt in this? Ask. Anyone has any doubt in this or understanding this one? किसी को नहीं समझ में आया या कुछ ऐसा है, whatever. If anything is there, do let me know. All of you have understood? Understood? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So then the last question that we are left with is, that is a theory question, not the numerical one. So first, A part of the last question, that is the 15th question, is define ginning. Who will answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Mannat.
The process of removing the seeds from the cotton fiber by is called ginning.
By how?
The process of removing the seeds from the cotton by obtaining is called ginning.
By obtaining? There is a process how it is done. Yes, Astik. Yes, Astik.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
The
Astik.
process of separating seeds from the cotton balls by combing is called
Yes.
ginning.
So by combing is very important. It is the process of removing what? Removing seeds from the cotton fibers. Only this much is not enough. You have to tell how. By combing. So the process of removing seeds from the cotton fibers by combing is called ginning. Okay. Then next B part. Describe the process of formation of yarn from the cotton wool. कैसे बनाते हो आप कॉटन से यार्न, कॉटन से धागा कैसे बनता है? Who can? The answer of this question is very clearly given in your book. On page
Ma'am,
number
please
20.
repeat the question.
Question is, describe the process of yarn formation from the cotton fibers. जो कॉटन हम ग्रो करते हैं फील्ड्स में, so how is that grown and how do we make yarn from those cotton plants? So what is the process? You have to tell the process. Okay, Simran. Akshara.
Firstly, the cotton is grown in black soil and warm climate. Then the cotton ball burst and the cotton has come and it is ginning, and then the cotton are stretched and the yarn is made.
Yes, very simple. So first of all, you have to tell that cotton plants are grown in the fields and it requires which type of soil and which type of climate? It requires black soil and warm climate.
Black soil and warm climate.
Okay, so first of all, you will write that cotton plants are grown in the fields. It requires black soil and warm climate. And when the cotton balls mature means जब वो enough at the stage when they are grown up and they are about to burst. Okay, so when the cotton balls mature, they burst and the what comes out? Seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. So जब वो burst हो जाते हैं, वो cotton balls जब brown color के होके जब फूट जाते हैं, so then the fluffy cotton comes out that has seeds in it. Okay, so then the cotton balls are picked with hands or by machines, and then the ginning process is done. That means the removal of seeds from the cotton fibers, and finally that cotton that we get is pressed and it is made into yarn. That can be done by machines also or by handmade devices also. Which are the handmade devices of making thread from the cotton? Handmade devices. Which are the handmade device?
Ma'am, charkha.
Charkha.
Charkha and takli.
Charkha and takli. Okay, so these things are, yes. So then yarn which is picked and no, not the yarn, the cotton fibers after ginning. After ginning, they are pressed and then they are twisted to form the yarn. It can be done by machines also. It can be done by hand devices also, like charkha and takli. Okay, so this is how we get cotton fiber. We get yarn from the cotton fibers. Clear? So you have to tell the process, complete process. 4-5 points will come. First, cotton is grown in the fields. It requires black soil and warm climate. When the cotton balls mature, they burst and the seeds, the cotton fibers with seeds, they come out, and then the seeds are removed by the process of ginning. After ginning, the cotton fibers, they are pressed and they are made into yarn either by machines or by hand devices that are known as charkha and takli. Charkhi and takla. Okay. Then last C part of this question, give 2 uses of cotton fiber. Very simple.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Can I?
Okay, Shreyan, you haven't spoken. Sapreet can also answer. Yes.
Ma'am, the two uses of cotton fiber is we can make clothes of cotton fiber, and we can also cotton fiber is also used to make tire fabric.
Which fabric?
Ma'am, tire fabric.
Tire?
Yes.
Which tire? The
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
you 2 uses of cotton fibers. Shreyan, I didn't get your last point. What are you saying? Tire fabrics? Which tire are you talking about? The vehicle
Ma'am, no.
tires? Which tires? The vehicle tires?
Ma'am, no.
Then tell what?
Yes.
Vehicle tire are made of cotton. They're made up of leather.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Fabric.
Fabric.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I'm not getting your point. If you can explain, then it is good.
Ma'am,
These
the
tires
It is
are
also
not
used
made
for
up of.
different types of threads. Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, it is also used for different types of threads.
Yes, different thread is the fine. We get cotton threads. Yes. Okay, fine. So now I'll ask you some questions from the whole syllabus. Let me see how much understanding do you have. Okay. So first question, it is mixed questions from all the chapters. So based on its food habits, what type of animal a camel is? Camel is which type of animal? Is it, don't give collective answers, only raise hands. Camel is a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Yashu. Yes, Yashu. Camel is a which type of animal? Your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, please repeat the three parts.
Three options, you know, herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Camel is which type of animal? So simple. I got so many hands are raised. Wow, that's good.
Omnivorous.
Bapre.
Ma'am, herbivorous hai.
Camel eat flesh? Oh my god, have you seen?
Herbivorous.
Them herbivores.
Yes.
Camel
Them herbivores.
Herbivore. Yes, camel is herbivore. Camel is not omnivore. Okay, next one. Name the seeds which are also used in its sprouted form. Means from which seeds we can make the sprouts. Ravleen,
Ma'am, please repeat options.
option is not there, only question is there. Name the seeds from which we can make sprouts.
Ma'am,
Okay. Moong dal and black and white chane.
Yes, black chana or you can say green gram. Moong dal nahi likhna hai. In English you have to write green gram. Okay. और chickpea, yes, मोटे चने जो होते हैं white वाले, that are called chickpeas. Okay. Okay, now tell me one question more. A child was going to eat an unknown plant leaf. Okay, listen to it carefully. A child was going to eat an unknown plant leaf as edible part of the plant, but his mother stopped him to do so. Why? Okay, Bhanvi. Bhanvi. Yes, Bhanvi.
Ma'am, his mother stopped him because the plant should be poisonous.
Yes, should be नहीं, can be. Should be तो मतलब कि होना ही चाहिए. Should be नहीं, can be. It can be poisonous, not should be. Fine. So yes, you know that we should not eat the leaf of any plant that we do not know. Okay, it can be poisonous also because it has some fluid like substances which are not good, or it can be poisonous and the child may get food poisoning. Okay, so it should not be done. Like other plants, we know that mint is there, tulsi, this aloe vera, which we can eat the leaves, which we know because these have medicinal properties. But the leaves, the plant which we do not have any information, we should not touch them or eat them. Okay. Now next one. Mustard seed has two edible parts. Name them. Two edible parts of the mustard plant. What is a mustard plant? Okay, answer Satvir. Satvir. Two edible parts of the mustard plant.
Ma'am, leaves and its flower.
Flowers we eat. तो yellow flowers खाते हो, सरसों के जो yellow flowers होते हैं. Not flower, it's something else. Sunflower, that mustard से क्या क्या बनता है? Mustard, first of all, just think. Not the flower. One part you said right, that leaves, क्योंकि सरसों का साग बनता है, that is also mustard leaves. But one more thing we get from mustard. Which part? That is from which part? Tanish.
Seeds.
Yes, seeds, not the stem leaves. Manya, you're saying stem leaves. Stem leaves or leaves एक ही बात है. So leaves we use for making सरसों का साग, and mustard oil. सरसों का तेल नहीं सुना है? Mustard oil is made from the seeds of the mustard plant. So two edible parts of the mustard plant are seeds and leaves. Okay. Now next you tell me, milk is a complete food. How? We always say na, that children must have milk. So why should we have
Ma'am,
milk?
please repeat the question.
Why should we have milk? We say that milk is a complete food. Why? Only energy it has.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Milk is a complete food.
Ma'am,
Why should we
आपकी
have milk?
questions and answers are
Akshara will tell the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Milk is called the
मैम
First
आप भी ये क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स कौन से पेज पे हैं?
ये पेज ये क्वेश्चन कहीं पे नहीं है. These are all extra questions I am asking you just to check the understanding of the chapters. These are all extra questions which I am asking you. Yes, Akshara, please tell the answer that how milk is a complete food.
milk is called a complete food because it has all the essential nutrients or substances which is required for our body.
Yes. So that's why we say milk is a complete food. Complete means the food which has all the nutrients, that is called complete food. So it has proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, everything milk has. So that's why we say milk is a complete food. Okay. Then milk animals, you know, milk giving animals. Apiculture, what is apiculture? Rearing of honeybees on a large scale to produce honey. Then you know 3 benefits of honey, functions of honey, you know. This we have done. Okay. Let me ask you something. Okay. Which fiber is known as golden fiber? Raise hands.
Jute.
Anya Gupta. Which fiber
Ma'am,
is also
jute.
known as golden fiber? Yes, very good. Answer is jute. Jute. Okay. And okay, this was done. Jute is obtained from which part of the plant?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Mana, you answered just now. Nitish will answer. Nitish.
Ma'am, stem.
Yes, very good. Stem. Okay. Okay, then tell me, why is it difficult to pass a thread through the eye of the needle sometimes? Why sometimes it is difficult to pass the thread through the eye of the needle? क्या होता है? What problem do we face sometimes when we are trying to put the thread into the eye of the needle? So something happens sometimes. So what is that problem? Yes, Gurnaz.
Ma'am, may I?
मैम समटाइम्स हम जो थ्रेड होते हैं हम वो अंदर नहीं जाता.
वही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ, वही क्यों नहीं जाता? My question is that
मैम
only.
because the thread is made up of many fabrics, so sometimes
Thread is made up of fabrics. Fabric is kapda.
Ma'am, fiber.
Fibers. Hey, fibers. Thread is made up
fibers. So ma'am,
of, yes.
ma'am, so when we try to put in the needle of in the eye of the needle, so sometimes the fiber gets separated and we are not able to put it.
Yes, fiber split नहीं होते हैं, thread split होता है. Okay, so thread we are putting na, so thread is made up of fibers. So sometimes when we are putting, so these threads they split into fibers, and those fibers go into different directions that does not allow us to put the thread into the eye of the needle. So the only reason is that sometimes the thread splits into thinner strands known as fibers. Okay. Then you know natural and man-made fiber. Okay. Uses of jute. Can anyone give me some uses of jute? Karman, mute yourself.
आज मम्मा ज्वाइन होगी क्लास.
Shan Bira. I know you are speaking. List is there in front of me. Pranay Gava. Okay, answer will be given by same hands, no new hands. Okay, Simran, six pink. Nitish is also raising hand. Yes, tell me fast some uses of jute. Okay, Gunpreet.
Ma'am, jute is used for making carry bags, gunny bags, and jewelry dress material.
Carpets also, some rough cloths also, ropes also,
Curtains.
gunny bags, yes. So all these are there. Fine. Okay.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, I'm listening. Speak.
Excuse me.
अरे बाप रे
मैम
बोलो.
मैम जो आपने मैम गूगल फॉर्म भेजा मैम
What happened to
मैम
the
जो
Google?
मैम जो आपने मैम जो आपने गूगल फॉर्म भेजा मैम उसके अंदर मैम इंटरनल एरर आ रहा है.
Bache, that is the network error. Anybody who has filled the Google form?
मैम हो रहा है अच्छे से.
See, if others are able to fill, that means you can also fill. So keep trying. If not done, then you can send me the attendance. Okay.
there is no problem.
Okay, fine. So there is one fiber that we obtained from the flax plant. I told you while teaching the chapter. What is the name of that fiber which we get from the flax plant?
Linen.
मैम linen.
Yes, very good. So the fiber we get from the flax plant is known as linen. Yes, so linen is used to make clothes, ropes, and high quality of paper also. Okay. And which fiber
Tablecloth.
we get from coconut husk? Coconut husk may be a fiber. Yes,
Coil.
that is known as coir. Okay, so uses of coir are they're used for making floor mats, brushes, etc., filling mattresses, used for packing also. And then what is retting? Retting process is associated with which plant?
Jute plant.
Yes,
Plant.
yes, very good. So when
Ma'am,
the
jute.
stems of the jute plants are immersed in water for some days for the action of bacteria, so that process is known as retting. So then the fibers of the stems, they loosen up and then they are again taken out and then they are washed and sent to the factories for making the jute fibers. Okay. What is loom? Loom. What is loom? Simran, you have a doubt? Then speak up. Yes, tell fast. Simran, what doubt do you have?
मैम राजा कौन सा फाइबर होता है?
Raja.
मैम यस.
RAJA.
यस मैम.
I haven't heard of this. From where have you read this? Raja fiber. Maybe it's the name of
मैम आपने बुक में लिखवाया, नोटबुक में लिखवाया हुआ है.
मैंने लिखवाया, मैंने तो कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखवाया राजा फाइबर.
मैम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में सेकंड क्वेश्चन के एग्जांपल में पॉलिस्टर, राजा, नायलॉन.
Ma'am, it's rayon.
मैम वो रेयन.
It's rayon.
Rayon. Oh my god. I thought what is Raja? It's rayon.
Ma'am, it's rayon.
RAYON. Rayon. Rayon is a type of fabric. इससे भी कपड़ा बनता है, but it is also synthetic fiber made with the help of chemicals in the factory. Raja is not a fiber. Okay, so rayon, nylon, rayon, polyester. So these are all synthetic fibers. Clear? Okay, so loom
May I?
what? Yes, Astik. Be fast.
May I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, any
Be fast. Your voice is not audible.